In 2026, the internet might not collapse because of hackers, but because of SSL. Yes, the same technology designed to protect your website could be the reason your business suddenly goes offline. Starting March 2026, SSL certificate lifetimes have been reduced to just 200 days. That means businesses now need to renew their certificates twice as often. And here's the real concern. Experts are warning that by October 2026, millions of websites could go down simply because their SSL certificates expire. Part 1. The real problem. Most people think cybersecurity failures are caused by advanced hackers, but in reality, many of the biggest breaches in 2026 were completely preventable, not because of sophisticated attacks, but because of simple mistakes: expired SSL certificates, misconfigured security settings, or systems that weren't updated in time. And attackers understand this. They don't always need to break in. Sometimes they just wait for you to leave the door open. Part 2. Escalation. In March 2026 alone, multiple critical vulnerabilities were discovered across enterprise systems. Some allowed attackers to access sensitive data without authentication. Others made it possible to bypass HTTPS protections, intercepting what should have been secure connections. And here's what makes it even more dangerous. Attackers are moving faster than ever. In some cases, vulnerabilities are exploited within hours of being discovered, which means if your SSL setup is weak, you don't have days to respond. You barely have hours. Part 3. Redefining. This is why SSL is no longer just a security feature. It has become part of your core infrastructure. SSL does more than encrypt data. It verifies identity, secures communication, and prevents interception. But in 2026, the question is no longer, do you have SSL? The real question is your SSL properly managed? Because having SSL doesn't automatically mean you're secure. Now let's look at the business side. If your SSL certificate expires, your website doesn't just become vulnerable, it becomes inaccessible. Browsers will block it, users will see security warnings, and your traffic drops instantly. Now imagine this happening during a marketing campaign, during peak sales, or right when customers are about to check out. That's not just a technical issue, that's direct revenue loss. Part 5. Authority and solution. This is why global companies don't just install SSL, they manage it. They automate renewals, continuously monitor vulnerabilities, and ensure their systems stay protected at all times. Because in today's landscape, security isn't static, it's continuous. And if you're not actively managing it, you're already at risk. 2026 is changing how internet security works. SSL is no longer optional, and it's no longer set and forget. It requires active management. If you're not sure whether your SSL setup is truly secure, or if you're prepared for these changes, this is exactly what we do at SSL International. We help businesses stay protected before problems happen, because in cybersecurity, prevention will always be more effective than recovery.